Hey guys, it's Wolfie here, and today, hold on now, just getting there it is. Sorry, I was looking for something, just my neck's stiff. I pulled something in my neck, so it's a hot pad. But, hey guys, it's Wolfie, and you might think, so you might be thinking, what's this box? Well, if you saw the title, if you saw the, I forgot what it's called, thumbnail? I'm a YouTuber and I forget this stuff. Yeah, but we are going to make a kitten house. Right now, I don't have the best tape to work with, but we will upgrade that in the future. Hold on, let me just go shut my door. And these are the best cutting tools. And we have another box behind it with another box inside of that box. And inside the other box, we have a bunch of foam padding and stuff. I'm going to cut this up because we do have scissors, and these are going to be ramps. I want to see how tall I can make it. Probably only 2 stories because I only have 2 boxes. But in the future, we will upgrade it. We will. And the journey will be with you guys. And in a couple days, and sorry I haven't been recording lately. It's just personal stuff. And family trips coming up. But I'm just sick. I didn't think about it, and we've had a lot of stuff going on, a lot. But besides from all that, I also am going to have a packing video, what I'm going to be packing for my trip to Boston. And once I get the Wi-Fi code, I can make videos and post them while we're there. Yeah. But let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the entryway /bedroom. And we also have this for ramps. If you can't see it, I'm sorry. But you'll see it later. For now, I'm going to get the entryway / bedroom. I think I have a good idea, but it's not planned out on paper. Okay, entryway box. I am going to start off with taking this off my neck. That ridiculous but helpful thing. Cutting these little flat flaps off. I have the best idea what we could do with these. The best, and I mean the best. I think I'm going to make these little paintings and hang them up. Oh, and we are going to color this thing. This isn't going to be plain boxes. This is going to be a cat box fort. Oh my goodness, little cat paintings. Oh yeah. Oh, and just so you know, I am working on an intro. I'm not just saying that so you think I'm working on an intro. I am working on an intro. Which I'm thinking of using like drawings for the intro. And you'll see what I mean. So we have 4 little cat paintings. And I think I'll leave these and you'll see why. I'm gonna try to go like this with them, you know, like stand them up or do something like this and glue one end down and then the other one like opens up like this. Or we could put it in, but it makes less room. So I think just this. But, ow, 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 my neck. I'm sorry, it's just I have a stiff, pulled something in my neck feeling. Yeah, I think I like pulled something in my neck. Last night was not a pleasant night because this started yesterday. But yeah, anyways. So let's get back to this. I have no idea. I think I'm going to connect a ramp to it. Yeah, I'm going to connect a ramp to it by cutting this off. I'm going to cut this off. Make this ramp. Because see, it's already like... Hi. This has always happened to me. Come on, guys. Is that better? I hope that's better. Because there's no white thing in the way. Now let's chop this off. Toy boat. Sorry, I'm yelling toy boat. But I want you to try to say toy boat 3 times fast. No one can. It's proven. Toy boat. 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 I did it. How did I do it? I don't know how I did that. Where's the tape? I'm going to have duct tape to work with in the future. But right now we have a ramp. And we're also going to use the other ramp. I am going to make a smaller ramp. This doesn't fit. Oh, but it will fit if I put it like this. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I just need to get this off. Just a little bit of this comes off. And this is for a tiny kitten. Good. Is it working how I thought it would? I'm also going to use this for like the outside of the house, I think. Because this can slide slide in like this, and then it has to lean up against something. But it sort of has to be like this. Let's see if something can go. What do I have? What do I have over here? What do I have? What do I have over here? I do have this. I have this unicorn hairbrush thingy. Oh yeah. And then he gets to the top and jumps on the second floor. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. Let's get the second floor to this. Oh, and I just remember I have these things. These things. These things. These things. These random things. Which, going to break this one apart. What's the blue layer? The hardest layer. Let me put this back on real quick. Oh shoot. I just noticed why I couldn't see anything. I just noticed. Looks like I have a snake around my neck, but I don't. Ooh. If you want to see what it looks like so far, this is what it looks like. I'm thinking of cutting this off or leaving it to be a ramp. I think I'm gonna leave it to be a ramp. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna be a ramp. Don't really know if I like it. Let's just try this out and see if it works. So let me tape that there. If I can find the tape. The tapity ow. You didn't see, right? Just don't look at where I live. I don't think you can see because it's so small. But anyways. Well, actually, never mind. Because we're about to move. But I'm just going to scribble it out anyways. But, yeah, you couldn't see that. Well, too bad, because we're moving. So you won't know our new address. Oh, and I'm not going to be here when we move, because I'm going to be at Boston. I'm going to be in Massachusetts. And I think the other place I'm going to be is Connecticut. So if you live anywhere near, like, Massachusetts, then you might see me walking around. You may or may not see me and my dad walking around. So if you're one of these people watching my video right now, You might be able to meet me in real life. Me and my dad will be, I don't know what you call it, just going around. Oh, and you might see me and my Nana if you live on Whitman. Yeah, but this thing is coming together. What if I Ooh, this might actually be okay. Hold on, guys. Let me tape this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just found this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This scotch tape may be able to hold it, but I don't know if it'll be able to hold it in the car ride. Benjamin. Sorry, that's my old cat's name. I really miss him. But besides from that, do you want to see the thing? Do. So we got the first floor. Where, as a cat, you jump in. Actually, I'm gonna use this. Which, as a cat, you jump in. You sit in the box for however long you really want because you're a cat. Then you go up the staircase ladder, ramp. Then as a cat, you can claw onto it. And then you can jump and land on your feet since you're a cat. Okay, now we just have to decorate them. I'm thinking of adding a couch. It's a tiny cat. Couch. See a couch? Wait. Hold on. A couch. I can just tape this together. Or we could have a couch. We can have a couch. And a couch. Because this guy, he loves a nice couch. And then we got a bed, I guess. A bed. She has a towel. Whoa. Or we could only have one couch. So leave this couch out. I'm sorry, couch. And we can have an extra long bed. Like an extra long bed. Like, see it? And then we add another. Then we have a couple little triangles. Like, no, that won't work unless we tape it. I'm gonna write her a message on her. Her name is Mouse, by the way. So say hello to Mouse in the comments. Yeah. She is a very cute kitten. And if you don't like cats, I really don't care. You don't have to watch this video if you don't like cats, but if you like watching cat house building videos, then you can watch this. Should I try like a bed like this? Or a bed like this? Or a bed like this? A bed like this better? Well, she is the queen. A queen size bed. Yes, a queen size bed. Yep, a queen size bed. Yep, a queen size bed. Yep, a queen size bed. Yep. So let's tape this together. 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 Okay, first piece of tape. Tape this together again. Tape this together again. Tape this together. Oh, shoot. Trying to fix the one piece of tape and the other piece of tape comes off. Stitch it. I call this one the stitch approach. 3 stitches and 4 stitches. Actually, 6 stitches. And then I put 7 stitches, 8 stitches, 9 stitches, 10 stitches. And after those 10 stitches, we do another line and then another line of stitches. These aren't real stitches though, these are tape stitches. Like butterfly stitches. Which I do not get why they call them butterfly stitches at all. If you agree with me, tell me in the comments below. And hit that subscribe button if you want. But no one's gonna subscribe to me and I know it. I know it for sure. Because I'm a newbie, apparently. I don't have that fancy lighting. What if I don't have enough money for fancy lighting? What if I'm just a kid? No one respects that. I'm just a kid because adults are like, no, you can be on YouTube, man. But those kids out there that get me, thank you. If you get me, if you're a kid. Okay, I'm done taping this part of the bed together. Which we did the stitch approach. I forgot to do the other part of the stitch approach though. One by one, we get stuff done. One by one again. One by one, we get stuff done. Every day and every night, we go and get stuff done. Every day, every night. Okay, now we are done taping this part of the bed together. Do you know I only said this part? There's another part. I'm not even joking. There is another part to this bed. Which I don't know if I'm going to be able to put this part of the bed on. But I hope I am. If not, it's fine. I need to get one piece of tape to hold this together. One piece of tape at least. I don't even know if this tape will stick to this. An enemy, an enemy, an enemy. An enemy, an enemy, an enemy. Every night I go out, I see all the people having fun with their people. Every night I go out, I feel so lonely. Cause no one ever gets me, no one ever likes me. No one ever gets me, no one ever likes me. Oh, oh, no one ever likes me, and no one ever gets me. Oh, oh, I know I'm horrible at singing. I know I'm horrible at singing. But oh, every night I go outside, I think about life. I don't care what they say though, even if they call me ugly Dorito. Even if you call me an ugly Dorito. Yeah, an ugly Dorito, an ugly Dorito. Even if you call me an ugly Dorito, the words don't hurt me. Yeah, those words don't hurt me, I'm used to it. Those words don't hurt me, I'm used to it. Yeah, those words don't hurt me, I'm used to it. Those words don't hurt me, I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Great, I wasted all this great tape for nothing. Wait, actually, no I didn't. All this great tape can go up to use if I just add one extra long piece. Yeah, even if you call me an ugly Dorito, oh, oh, every night I close my eyes and I think about life, oh, yeah, every night that I close my eyes, yeah, oh, Even if you call me an ugly reason. I have a bit of a setback. It doesn't fit. This thing doesn't fit. This thing does not fit. I have to rip this part up. I'm sorry, I guess. This will fit though. Even if you call me an ugly Dorito, even if you call me an ugly Dorito. I can put that right there. Then this can go right here. You know what? I found another use for these. Yeah, I found another use for these. You just hit this again though. Now, time for the kitty paintings. I will be right back with the markers. Just hang tight. Actually, I will give you a minute